everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Canon EOS 2000D connection problem with your PC. So with small HDMI to the normal HDMI or with the USB. So stay tuned and I will show you how to fix it. So as you can see, here is the EOS Utility 3. I don't have access to any of the options available, and now I will send you guys to my mobile phone so you can see how to fix this issue. So hello everybody, here is the EOS camera 2000D. Now I will show you what is the problem. So I connect it to my PC, and now on the PC is nothing happening, you can see. Now if I connect the HDMI mini, now you can see in the device manager that the camera is now connected, but I cannot see it in the OBS. So what is the fix? If you have installed EOS Webcam utility driver from the web and it's still not working, all what you have to do is to open your EOS camera. So go to the options, Wi-Fi NFC enable, click to disable, go back, you can turn it off and on. Now if I connect it with the cable, what the fuck? So I got everything here. If I want now to go to the Streamlabs and I want to add the webcam, let's do this. Video capture, add source. No. You see webcam utility. Now the webcam is going to work like this. And the webcam is working really fine. Fuck. So if I want to adjust it, I can. If I want to focus it, like something like this, you can do all of that. Really nice, really cool, and simple. So, I hope this helps you. We will see us in the next video. Thank you all.